the parents, all the teachers, respected teachers, my loving students, everyone who is present here. Thank you for having me here. Actually, what the ma'am said before this, that the annual function is a celebration of dedication, hard work, achievements, everything that you put on in front of everybody. It's an achievement of that. So I'm very impressed to see the dedication and the hard work put up by the staff, the teachers and all the students. And I'm also very impressed by the enthusiasm and courage and confidence of the students here, the performers, those who are performing on the stage and as well as who are behind the stage and responsible for all the wonderful performances that are being done and are coming up after you listen to me and bear with me. For the students, I just want to say that always try to learn, always have a habit of learning and striving for the excellence, because success is not just in marks you get in your academics. The success is in the ethics, the morals and the values and all the skills you develop during your study times. It is not just the marks that you get in the exams. So we strive for the excellence. And one thing more, if you are performing here, just remember one thing. When you are on the stage, just take it as an opportunity and think that the world is full of possibilities and all the opportunities that you can get. And it is just up to you that you can seize those and bring out the best from those moments. So enjoy yourself when you are on the stage and give your best. Just try to be good or even best in everything that you do. So, and to the parents and to the teachers, I just want to thank you. Thank you for guiding these young minds, guiding these future leaders and cooperating with them, bearing them, because sometimes the children can be really unbearable. So it's kudos to you. It's such a great thing that you keep up with these students and guide them in their for your futures. So once again, thank you for having me on this special occasion and giving me a chance to be a part of it. So thank you so much. And I want to say one more thing, that this is school, Jethwal Public School, for the as long as I can go back in my memories, I find that the students are excelling in almost all the fields and they provide education in almost all the fields, just like I have encountered so many times that the yoga classes or the karate and all the activities that are being going on. So I definitely feel that your students will succeed in almost all the aspects of their life. So again, thank you, and I just hope and I wish success to the teachers, students, or the staff of the school, and you have better and almost every good things in the future for you. Thank you so much.